Hello ATM, ako po si Kobe Brown.
Hi ATM, it's Michael Seger.
Hey everyone, this is Stephanie and thank you so much ATM.
We're currently here at
The Born to Shine Mall Show.
And album launch.
Ayun po, parati po namin sinasabi, it's very, very overwhelming and exciting kasi second album launch na. Parang kailan lang nag-launch kami ng first album namin and excited kami kasi baka magkaroon pa ng many more songs and as of now, meron na daw po kaming 10 songs. Like, surprisingly, ang dami na pong kanta nun. Kaya very grateful kami sa mga ginigib nila na mga gandang kanta. And hopefully, mas dumami pa.
Such an amazing feeling na part ako ng Born to Shine. Ang babait ng mga cast, ng mga crew, ang ganda ng story po. At ang ganda ng kwento ng character ko so far with Megan. So, overall, masaya po ako.
second time sa Charm for us. It's our second album launch. Ang masasabi ko lang, I'm so grateful na umabot pa kami sa second album. Dahil yan sa suporta ng mga kapuso natin. Maraming salamat po. We hope to create more songs that resonates with all of you guys. And yeah, thank you sa suporta.
So, ito na po nasa volume 2 na kami ng album and sobrang iba yung feeling kasi ngayon mas buo na rin kami bilang pamilya sa Born to Shine na cast and coming here sa SM Muntinlupa to share those songs, parang mas lighter yung feeling and we're just grateful na may mga panibagong songs. Malay natin, volume 3.
Dalawa eh. Actually, sa Yumi, I would say, this is our time. Debut song kasi namin talaga yun and special siya sa akin. Dami ng pinagdaanan nung rehearsal namin yan. And the song itself, yung message niya na, this is our time to shine because we're born to shine. And the other song is kinakanta nila ngayon, ng Rosabella's, Song of Our Hearts. Nung una nilang pinperform sa amin yan, nakakaiyak talaga. Like, na-reunion nila eh. And it's nakaka-emotional kasi after nilang nawala sila sa group, bumalik sila with this comeback song. So, and it's really nice. Pakinggan niyo po.
Ikaw ang dahilan that I think na-LSS ako dun and kahit sa bahay, kumakanta ako kahit sa shower whenever I watch it and hear the song, like, yun talaga. I think that's one of my favorites. Yeah.
I might be biased, pero favorite ko yung song ni Nate. Yung paano ko ba sasabihin? Siguro, it's really a song that really I can connect to, I can relate to. Everybody experiences it in their lives. So when you have feelings for someone, you don't know how to translate it. The song is about that. And talagang, medyo-justify ni Nate yung nararamdaman niya.
As solo artist, as Jenny na Jenny lang. Yung kwento ko talaga, sobrang alam mo yung naiiyak ako every time I sing that song because it's not just really for the show but also personally I relate so much. And as a group naman, ikaw ang dahilan. Pero ang ganda din kasi no This Is Our Time. Parang ewan ko, sobrang inspiring ng mga songs. It talks about love and dreams and your love for your dreams and your dream for love. Ang dami. Parang ganon.
Ang experience ko po sa recording was very fun kasi it's one of the first songs, it's probably the first song that I've recorded fully, so definitely memorable to me. Ayun.
I mean, nakakatuwa because in real life, I know how to sing naman, I love singing, but I was never a professional recording artist. But siguro, given the chance of portraying Nate Lim, na-experience ko yun din. And siguro, I really took lessons to improve my singing and at least be at the same level with a wonderful artist in the show. And apart from that, when it came to the recording, when I was reading the material, natuwa lang ako and talaga sabi ko, oh my God, I have to give this my best. I put my feelings in it. So, ayun, it was really challenging. I was outside my comfort zone, but I hope all of you guys liked it.
I think may mga na-encounter kaming few challenges sa like arrangement ng songs and ano yung pinaka mas magsusuit na parts sa bawat isa. Pero honestly, it's such a win for us because ngayon nga, we feel like mas isa na kami as a group. And even with the choreo, actually yung choreo din, yun yung medyo mahirap kasi we want to really showcase na excellence talaga. We want to give our best dun sa second song namin because para talaga siyang totoong kwento yung Born to Shine, na parang nasa industry talaga kami na when you're starting, you really have to show what you got, and that's what we're trying to do with the songs. Pero at the end of it turned out really great. Parang perfect lang bawat step.
Paano ko ba sasabihin yung mismong title na ng song, kaya stream nyo na yan. I think the title of the song says a lot kasi minsan in life you don't know how to say it. Minsan nahihirapan tayong i-communicate sa mga mahal natin or even sa mga tao, and siguro I really relate to that, and it's something I can keep on listening to. I must admit, shout out talaga sa writer ng song. Ang ganda, super catchy, and ayun, I'm so happy na I got the chance to sing it.
Well, hindi naman kasi kami official group. We're a fictional group, so hindi kami naka-undergo ng trainings ng yung mga official P-pop groups. Pero, sa show kasi, we still have rehearsals. And may mga times talaga na pagod kami, but we have to record songs, we have to rehearse, late kami na back up sa taping. So, it's not easy. Minsan nagkakaroon na kami ng tension, like hindi man kami official, parang lahat kami parang pagod na makipag-usap, makipag-alubilo. Pero what's good thing about this group, kasi hindi kami nag-aaway-away. We don't do that. We just talk. Pag alam namin pagod, mag-a-adjust kami. So, my point is, it's not easy. Kahit hindi kami official group, ang dami namin, pinupush talaga namin yung self namin sa limits, and nagre-request kami na rehearsals pa, like parang pwede ba kami mag-record ng dance practice na po, rehearsals na po, para lang ma-perfect namin yung dance for the UMates din. Syempre, meron na silang sa amin standards, so ayun po, I'm just sharing na the girls are really hardworking and we're doing our best.
I think may mga na-encounter kaming few challenges sa like arrangement ng songs and ano yung pinaka mas magsusuit na parts sa bawat isa. Pero honestly, it's such a win for us because ngayon nga, we feel like mas isa na kami as a group. And even with the choreo, actually yung choreo din, yun yung medyo mahirap kasi we want to really showcase na excellence talaga. We want to give our best dun sa second song namin because para talaga siyang totoong kwento yung Born to Shine, na parang nasa industry talaga kami na when you're starting, you really have to show what you got, and that's what we're trying to do with the songs. Pero at the end of it turned out really great. Parang perfect lang bawat step.
Thank you, ATM, and please don't forget to promote the BTS album. Please stream it on all streaming platforms.
Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo, sa pagmamahal nyo, and please keep watching Born to Shine on GMA Afternoon Prime.
2:30 PM yan on GMA Afternoon Prime. Maraming salamat. Abangan nyo ako bilang Nate Lim.
Don't forget to stream Born to Shine official soundtrack album Volume 2, yes, and the Volume 1 then. Thank you guys!